My material is applied. I am ready for this to be taken into Unreal. Before I can take it into Unreal, what I need to do is to make sure that it is clean and free of any excess stuff that we don't need. Because every little bit of information that this thing holds, it's going to complicate it. Not too bad with one battery, but if you get lots of assets or you're thinking about a game on a big scale, it's going to start to impact it. So the stuff I'm talking about is over here. Okay, so it's got these translates and the scales that are different size. So I want to let it know that this is exactly where I want it to be and what it to look like. So Unreal is going to read it from the center there, so that's going to be my pivot point. So I'm going to just leave it there. If it was a door, I might move it to the side so the pivot point is instead on a corner. In Maya, what I can do is if I hold D and V, I can also move that pivot point. By holding D and V, it's going to snap to a vertice. If I don't hold V, it's just free to roam wherever it wants, and you can put that into position. But I'm going to center the pivot because I'm pretty happy with it being there. Okay, from there what I want to do is I want to make sure these all say 0 and scale says 1, so that then it doesn't get conflicting information. I can do that in a couple of ways. One is to press freeze transformations, or going up here to modify freeze transformations, and you can see it's done that. All these inputs are things I've done to edit it, and I want it just to go, no, this is exactly what it should be. So I'm going to go up here with it selected, go edit, delete all by type, history. And that's what it's meant to do. So now that's clean. Oh, as well as that, I should make sure I've checked it for double extrudes. That was in vertex face, so that we can fix those. I've gone over here into my outliner, made sure it's named correctly. Gone up here to my hyper shade menu, make sure that any unused nodes are gone. And from there, I'm ready to take it in. So with it selected, I can go File and I can export it. I like to go Export Selection, so I know exactly that I'm doing what I selected, taking that in. And I'm going to export it as an FBX. And I'll leave it under Scenes. I'm going to call it Battery Mesh, and I'm going to export that. And now I'm ready to go into Unreal to import it.